So I'm here trying to fix this fridge that my sister bought. So it's plugged in. As you can see, this little light doesn't turn on, nothing happens, no sounds. It's not cold, nothing. It's plugged in right here, and it's plugged into the wall. I mean, aside from the fact that I have something else plugged in to prove that it's working. My voltage meter here, AC, 118. That works. So now, the next step in the diagnosis is, I know it's getting power. I know these pins are good. I know that's plugging in. Problem's in here. So I'm going to remove this cover. And yeah. So I got the cover off. Some of the screws are still in there, of course. And I'm looking here. And from surface looks, there is nothing wrong here. I do see that this heat sink's kind of bent, but I mean, looks like something was fit in here on purpose. So that was definitely done on purpose, just because you can see the silicone and how stuck that is in there. Nothing smells bad in here. It's a DC motor fan, so it does go through some sort of rectification process, which is headed by this. So I think the next step is opening this up to see if something's wrong with that component. So I'm gonna plug this back in while this is open. It's a fridge, so I'm sure this heat sink here isn't really heat sinking. So I can measure those 2 points on the board. You know, this capacitor here looks a little bulgy. I will have to say. Definitely looks weird. Like it's about to explode. So that's odd. I'm not exactly sure how to test voltage on this at the moment, because these capacitors look fine. This transformer looks okay. I mean, I can't really even test voltage. I gotta take this fucking thing out. Yeah, let me do that. So the power leads going into here, right here. $118. I'm getting my voltage. So this capacitor has no volts. I'm pretty sure this capacitor is blown because there's a bulge. Yeah, this capacitor